Hello my dear friends, I am at Thattekad Bird Sanctuary and I am beside a cage where there is a chimpanzee. I am seeing the chimpanzee so near for the first time. This chimpanzee is so friendly. It's inside the cage. I will try to show you this chimpanzee. This is the chimpanzee and he is so friendly chimpanzee. He is not afraid of anybody. This is the person. Hi. I never expected to see a chimpanzee. I came to see the bird sanctuary. Aha, nice. Hi, my dear friend. I will not forget you. This is a smart chimpanzee. Look, very smart. He is alone. I think he need a partner. I think he's struggling a lot. This is what I feel. I am going around and trying to see. Hi. Eppadi irukappa? He's behind me. Hi. I should call him Thambi. Hi. Hi. Hey. Thambi. Thambi is here. So I will come and visit this chimpanzee again. I like him. I think he has been bought from somewhere else. Maybe from Africa or somewhere. But it is hard to see, them in the cage. Bye bye.